I'm Junta Mesranda Huta Barat from Indonesian Language and Literature Education, years 2022. I want to explain about podcasts. Podcasts are audio content in a format similar to radio and can be listened to via the internet. Its podcast channel usually have a special topic, ranging from business, life to comedy. Listeners can access it directly via various streaming platforms such as Spotify and YouTube. Linguistically, the word podcast is a combination and two words, namely iPod and broadcast. The word podcast was first used by a BBC columnist and journalist, Ben Hammersley. He coined the term in early February 2004 when reading an article from The Guardian. Type of podcast. One solo host podcast. This first type of podcast only has one broadcaster or host. The presentation can also be packed monologue. As the name suggests, a solo podcast is a type of recording that is delivered by one host in monologue. This means that the entire contents of the podcast recording are read in the one direction without anyone speaking. Generally, the topic of a solo podcast is a discussion of the host's opinion about something that is currently viral, reading stories sent by listeners, or providing information about something. Type 2 Multi-host podcast. This podcast can be hosted by two or more hosts. Usually, his type podcast rarely or never invites guest hosts to speak on the podcast. This type of podcast generally present discussion with different opinion and perspective from each person. Type 3 Podcast interviews. This podcast is made with the host interviewing guest stars. Podcast interviews are fairly easy to do because they don't require too much preparation. This type of podcast can be said to be the most common. If previously the solo type only contained one host, the interview podcast is a type that contains dialogues between several people with the context of the interview. Guests of invited speakers do not have a consist of just one person, but can also be a group. Podcast interview guests are people who will be different in each episode, according to the theme being present. Podcast example. One podcast Deddy Corbuzier. Close the door. Who doesn't know Deddy Corbuzier podcast? This podcast, which uses YouTube as its medium, is very popular among millennials. With the typical clickbait headline, Deddy Corbuzier podcast is able to attract millennials of people always watch this content. Usually, the content raised is a topic that is currently hotly discussed by netizens. 2. Podcast Denny Sumargo. Former baseball athlete Denny Sumargo also presents podcast for public entertainment. According to the name of his YouTube account, namely Curhat Bang Denny Sumargo, the topic is Denny Sumargo podcasts are usually about the upward rings and stories of influencers. 3. Podcast Raditya Dika. The topic discussion in the podcast vary from work, horror stories, food, to finance. Usually Raditya Dika invites his comic colleagues to intervene in podcasts.